Welcome to Techsplaining, the YouTube channel where we got tech powers. So today we'll be unboxing a really amazing product, which is the screen enlarger, or as some people call it, the smartphone enlarger. So without any further ado, let's get started with our video. So our product has arrived from Amazon. We'll simply start unboxing it. So we can find this box right here. And with that we also have this complimentary gift with us. So for right now, let's open this box. We can simply find our screen enlarger right here. So if I talk about the complimentary gift, it seems to be a good gesture from Amazon itself or from the company which makes this screen enlarger. So as of now, if I open it, I can simply make out that it is a protector for the AirPods itself. So now let's talk about our screen enlarger. So if we have a look at its build quality, it entirely is made up of plastic except for the lens in the front, which is actually a convex lens. This is the same lens used in the magnifying glasses. The function of this lens is simply it magnifies your image or enlarges it till an extent. So this is a slot wherein you can simply place your smartphone and your image will appear in front. So this is the part wherein you have to simply place your smartphone and the image will appear on the front, that is on the lens itself. So just to give you an idea of its size, we've compared it with the iPad 8th generation 2020 model, which actually is a 10.2 inch iPad, and with the iPhone 6s Plus. So now if we talk about its image quality, it's quite great considering that it gives its viewers a 3D effect which you won't really be able to depict in the video itself, but it does. Another advantage of the product being that it protects your eyes from the smartphone screen glare, which is quite interesting considering that it won't really harm your eyes while streaming movies. Another interesting fact about the product being that it just focuses on the image itself. You won't really be able to depict your smartphone placed inside the product, which is definitely an advantage as it simply prevents the discomfort to your eyes. And I would also like to advise you to use a black colored smartphone if you have one, and if you don't, then other colored smartphones are not really a problem as well. Now we'll be comparing its picture quality with the iPad 8th generation 2020 model. After a closer look at both of the products, I was clearly able to depict that the picture quality of the iPad 8th generation is slightly better than that of screen enlarger in terms of the colors of the iPad 8th generation and in terms of the picture quality that it provides us with. So here the bottom line simply being that it is a product worth buying considering the fact that it does not harm your eyes, it is an affordable product and provides us with a great picture quality. So now if you wish to buy the product, you'll simply get the link of the product in the description box itself. If you found the video informative, make sure you drop a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more such technology related content. On that note, see you. Sola, sola, sola.